Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now by verifying prerequisites: a server with a static IP, enough disk space, and required packages. Install DHCP, TFTP, and NFS or HTTP services so clients can download stages. Create directories for pZelinux or IPXE and place U-boot or grub files. Configure permissions and ensure files are world-readable. Once done, generate or copy kernel and initramps into the TFTP route and make a minimal config file so clients receive the first boot instructions. Now you configure each service to work together. Edit DHCP to supply the TFTP server IP and the PXE file name. This tells the client where to fetch the bootloader. Configure the TFTP server route and create a PXE menu that references kernel and initramps paths. Export the NFS routes or set up an HTTP tree for netboot. Make sure file ownership and SC Linux contexts permit access. Once done, restart services and watch logs so you can quickly identify file not found or permission errors. You finish by testing an actual client boot. Reboot the client and monitor DHCP, TFTP, and NFS/HTTP logs for each stage: lease request, bootloader download, kernel fetch, and root mount. If the kernel stalls, confirm initramps includes network tools and correct drivers. Once the systemd or init process starts, validate network mounts and final services. If things go wrong, check permissions and firewall rules first. Those are the most common blockers and often resolve a failed network boot quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.